My name is Aaron Clue. I'm a second semester senior, International Comparative Studies major with a concentration in African Studies. Participating in worship in the chapel is a really honorable experience. I feel like when I'm there, I'm really in touch with God, and being able to read scripture to a whole body of people, it's really beautiful. Probably the most personal experience to me was the prayers for the people. There was one instance where I got the opportunity to actually write my own petitions and then pray for the congregation. Almighty Counselor, teach us your word so that we might find solace in it during confusing times. Loving Father, send your Spirit to comfort us and give us strength to face the struggles of modern-day American life. And I remember people coming up to me afterwards and asking if I could mail them the petitions because they just really loved what I said. And I was glad I was able to touch people. When I think of the phrase bridging faith and learning, it really just makes me think of the concept of affirming your faith by looking for why you believe in what you believe. And so I think of apologetics. I think of why do I believe in God? Why am I a Christian? Why do I believe that Jesus died for my sins? And I think bridging faith and learning is continuing to search for answers to that and discover the true meaning of it. What I'd really want to take away from my experience at Duke and the chapel and apply towards a vocation or a calling is really giving back to the African heritage that I have. It's kind of why I focused on a regional concentration in Africa within my International Comparative Studies major. And I'm most interested in the perception of Africa and creating media to help tell different stories and more holistic narratives of the continent and its people and its beautiful cultures.